Hey everyone, I have 5 new Seint colors to try today, and I'm so curious about these. Here's what they look like. So these are 2 sort of regular colors, and these bright colors are part of the Fruit Punch collection, and they thought it would be fun for summer to actually scent these for, and all together they smell kind of like juicy fruit gum, if you remember that. So I'm really curious. They're supposed to be very sheer and you can do different things with them. So you're gonna find out how it works at the same time I do. I'm gonna start with this suede though. This color is designed as a lip liner. So I'm gonna use the small end of my multitasker brush and go around the outline of my lip. A lot of people use their contour, but that can be a bit dark. And that does seem like a good lip color for me with my coloring for lip liner. So I'm gonna have to put something in there eventually. I usually use my colors for more than one purpose. I wanna see what else I can do with it. And I'm gonna see if it would work as a bronzer. So I'm just gonna dab my bronzer brush. And that does work. So I'll put a little bit on my nose. So if you need a different color bronzer, maybe you have lighter skin, Bella's too dark for you. Wow, I really do like that. I will probably use this one more as a bronzer rather than lip liner because I don't often do that. And just for the heck of it, I want to see how it would work with the eyeshadow. I have a little bit of shadow on already, but let's see what happens. All right, that works. So I'm just putting that in the outer corner. And I've used lots of our lip and cheek and highlight or foundation colors as eyeshadow before. Okay, so my lip liner also makes a great bronzer and eyeshadow, so that was a good purchase. Before I try this one, I've got to get to these bright colors. I'm so curious. And honestly, I'm not a big fan of scented makeup. I kind of wish they didn't do that, and I was afraid of this, but it's really not that bad. It really, like from where if I sniff this, it smells like juicy fruit gum. It's not really awful or overwhelming or anything like that. And I think a lot of people will think it's really fun, especially for summer. I just want you to know it is scented so you're not surprised. And that is not something they normally do. So all of our other lip and cheeks and highlights and contours, they are not scented at all. The pineapple one is meant to, you can wear it alone or you can warm up cool colors. And even if your natural lip tone is very cool, like some people have a lot of blue in their lips, it's supposed to warm it up. Okay, so I put the pineapple on my lips. You can't even see it. But if you're a different coloring, it might show up. So I'm gonna show you how this is supposed to work. It's supposed to warm up a cool color. So I'm gonna put a little bit of saffron on. Okay, definitely a cool color. Let's go add that pineapple. Okay, so it changed that color completely. Okay, so you can use this to create a different color for your lips. I'm now gonna put it on my cheeks just as it is to see what happens. I'll use the blend brush. And that goes on more like a highlighter, and it's kind of gold, you know, it looks extremely yellow here. I don't look yellow, it's just sort of a subtle glow, and I think this would be really nice. Too bad, if I was tan, this would look really great, but I think this would be really nice to sort of highlight a tan if I put it on my chest or my shoulders. I am I'm in Portland, you guys, so I'm kind of pasty. I was looking at photos when I lived in LA, and I was a whole different color there. But anyway, I like that. It's giving me sort of a warm, natural glow. I only put it on this cheek because I want to play with some other stuff. I'll put it on this side too. I like that a lot. This is really different. It's very different from the highlighters that we have, or the illuminators. Interesting. So it could be, it's almost could be like a very sheer bronzer. Yeah, and I think it would, you know, warm up your skin or give you a little glow in the summertime especially. Okay, so that's pineapple, and I'm gonna take this off my lips so we can play with the next color. Okay, we're gonna play with tangerine now. And very nice summer color. Using my hands, I really like a neat lip, so I really like using a brush. So it goes on very sheer, but you can build. Okay, that's nice. Oh, I want to try pineapple on my eyes. It's gonna be a little hard because I do already have eyeshadow. Yeah, I like that a lot. So if I use that suede on the outer corner and pineapple on the lid, it's pretty good. I like that. I'm gonna try tangerine on this lid. I really, really like that as eyeshadow. It's very sheer. You only need the tiniest bit. And now I'm gonna put this tangerine on this cheek. I have pineapple on this one. And honestly, I was really afraid of the scents they were using, and they're really not that bad. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. It's so sheer, but it's really giving me a nice glow. So I was saying about the scents, it's definitely juicy fruit gum. Okay, that's tangerine. Got a little bit on my lips, cheeks, and on this eye. Let me wipe some of this off so we can test out the others. Okay, watermelon time. Watermelon, beautiful pink watermelon. Very nice. So that's cool. And then I guess if I wanted to, I could put that pineapple on and warm it up. Now, watermelon on the cheeks. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I wasn't sure about these. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like them. I do like that glow. All right, the next color I'm just gonna put it on top because it's, you know, a little bit darker than that. It's called cherry. It smells like cherry. So you have a kind of sheer lip color. And then this is just a bit deeper, but still very, very sheer. Okay, I like it. This was a win-win for me, all of them. All right, have a great day. If you have any questions, if you want to get the Fruit Punch collection for yourself, or the suede and the Ibiza were part of the sleepover collection, you can buy them together or separately. Let me know and I'll help you out. Bye-bye.